Hi, how are you doing?
Good.
I am artist Ray Kirkland
Kayla.
from Jamaica. Now, I have a book on Amazon. It's called Don't Cry. And I will let you hear a poem I did. It's called For Our Children to Know. Because I think our entertainers should be educating our youth, especially that in this generation where we have our kids being glued to social media. I think we all have to share a positive part in the kids' lives.
Yes.
I want my children to know me as one that is great. Education is essential, time mustn't waste. For the power of knowledge, there's no limit to what you can create. You will encounter hurdles in life, people frightening earthquakes, but never stop, aim higher and escalate. I also stumbled and fell on my journey, yeah, I made mistakes, still I elevate and stay awake. Fueling my mind with positive energy while I vibe and meditate. I pay close attention to nature and sounds birds make. People business, when I discuss and I mix up and I partake, my art aches, I can't take liars and pretenders all fake. Hence why I separate myself from illusion, confusion will never penetrate the core of my mind. I smile, I embrace greatness, fearless among all human race. Notice this face, when I lick trace, I will never disgrace my people for position, rather empower you in this case. But it's somewhat complicated when the world is in a sick state. Love, politics, and religion are both in a trick state. Miseducation, misinformation, misunderstandings, mistakes are the reason for your failures. Arise and surprise them with a bliss face.
That was amazing.
Thank you very much. Alright, I'm going to do another one real quick. It's called artwork. And don't get it twisted, I'm only talking about art. I dipped my firm paintbrush in her acrylic to get the tip wet. Slowly started a stroke on her canvas to paint the picture perfect. She stared in my eyes as she smiled, giving me that firm grip. I gazed back at her, penetrating her so deeply, I knew she liked it. Of course, you know I'm talking about artwork. Her art was creme mutilation. My artwork is priceless, she enjoyed the vibration. I sank my paintbrush further in her acrylic again, stroking the canvas a bit harder. She commanded, artist Craig Kirkland, please go a bit faster. As a true artist, I grant her wish, she admit my art is breathtaking. I confirm quick honey, we both did the paintings. Wet and sticky, we paint all over the place. But the remarkable thing about our arts, this was a masterpiece that will never be erased.
You're so good.
So do go check the book out, it's called Don't Cry by Craig.